there, thank you so much for watching the Organize with Faith Instagram TV episode. I was talking to my best friend back home, Erica. She and I have grown up together. I know her like I know my sister. Every single time I go home, I go to her house. She picks me up from the airport. We like go out to eat or whatever. We come home. Her house is impeccable. And then we go into her bedroom, and then the closet door is like busting at the seam. Like it won't even close. Like it's just open and the clothes are trying to get out. And the stuff at the bottom is like, let me out, I wanna get out of here. Like, it's so bad. So I'm making this video for Erica, but truthfully, all fall we're gonna be focusing in on organization tips and tricks and things that you guys can do to improve your space and also just usher in the fall with like a really good vibe. Okay, essential number one is I need you to declutter. I'm telling you right now, if you really have issues with your closet, it's not the organization that's driving you crazy, it's the amount that you have. So even if you have an expert like me come in and like bibbity bobbity boo it and like put it into this like beautiful order, I bet my bottom dollar that in 2 months, it's probably gonna be the same. And that's because you have too much. So take the time to go through your stuff and declutter. Number two, here's the thing. A closet, especially in your bedroom, is there to store your clothes. You don't want your college thesis in there. You don't want taxes from 1993. Like, you don't want a lot of photographs and stuff like that in there. Get it out, and you have to find another home for it. And you can find another home for it. And I'm speaking as someone who lives in a studio and knows that you can find another home for it. So you want to make sure that your closet space is dedicated to clothes and accessories and anything that involves you getting dressed. And why that's important, this is why people struggle, is because when you open up a space, like if you open up a door to something or a cabinet, you don't want to have to, like your mind, you don't want your mind to have to compute through all of these things. Like, oh my God, my taxes, I owe money, or oh my God, I really messed up in college, or oh my God, there's a picture of my ex-boyfriend that I hate. Like, or whatever the case is, like you don't want to have to go through all that. What you really want to do is open the closet and just figure out what you're wearing for the day. Number three, uniformity. That's like organization tip number 3 for you. Making sure that everything is uniform. And I know you may be eclectic, as am I, right? You can tell by all this stuff dangling from my ceiling, but in my closet, I keep it super streamlined. You don't want things to be complicated. There's a reason why when you open up magazines, it's like, oh my God, that's so beautiful. It's beautiful because all the bins and baskets match. They're the same width. They're not spilling over the shelf. All the things on the floor are pretty much the same, and then they're built out so that they're the same height. Like, you want to make sure that everything is your hangers are the same color. For God's sake, please get black. Like, do that for yourself. And it will help you focus in on what matters, and what's going to matter when you open up your closet door is what you're wearing for the day. Okay, so those are my 3 tips. Love you, Erica, and just thanks for listening. I hope it helped. Take care. Bye.